how to recover deleted photos without any app or computer on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover deleted photos without any apps or computer on Android. So basically, in order to do this procedure, first thing you have to go ahead and open up your settings application. And while you're on the settings page, you need to go to storage. And after that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So here you need to scroll down a bit and go to files. After that, you need to select the particular file, and once you select it, now scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find this option as DCIM. Go ahead and select DCIM, and next page is going to take you to this where you have to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon located in the top right hand side corner and go to show hidden files. So in my case, I've already enabled or shown my hidden files. So when you tap on it, just go ahead and tap on show hidden files, and here you'll be able to see all of the photos and videos that have actually deleted and that is stored securely. So that's basically how you can recover deleted photos without any app or computer on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.